Here's some of the stories trending this week at NASA. NASA this month is scheduled to launch the first of 6 next generation Earth observing small satellites. They'll demonstrate innovative new approaches for measuring hurricanes, Earth's energy budget, which is essential to understanding greenhouse gas effects on climate, aerosols, and other atmospheric factors affecting our changing planet. These small satellites range in size from a loaf of bread to a small washing machine and weigh as little as a few pounds to about 400 pounds. Their size helps keep development and launch costs down because they often hitchhike to space as a secondary payload on another mission's rocket. Small spacecraft and satellite are helping NASA advance scientific and human exploration, test technologies, reduce the cost of new space missions, and expand access to space. On November 10th, NASA previewed one of those 6 new small satellite missions, the Cyclone Global Navigation Satellite System, or CYGNSS, during a news briefing at the agency's headquarters in Washington. CYGNSS is a constellation of 8 identical microsatellites that will gather never-before-seen details on the formation and intensity of tropical cyclones and hurricanes. The mission's unique approach of using reflections from GPS signals off the ocean surface will enable it to monitor surface winds and other air-sea interactions in rapidly evolving tropical storm systems. CYGNSS is targeted to launch December 12th from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. NASA astronaut Peggy Whitson and her Expedition 5051 crewmates, Oleg Novitsky of the Russian space agency Roscosmos and Thomas Pesquet of the European Space Agency, participated in a variety of pre-launch training activities November 1st through 10th at the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The trio and members of the backup crew are preparing for the launch of Whitson, Novitsky, and Pesquet November 17th Eastern Time for a 5-month mission to the International Space Station. A team of NASA, military, and contractor personnel recently completed a successful Underway Recovery Test 5 with a test version of NASA's Orion crew module. The test, conducted from the USS San Diego off the coast of California, demonstrated and evaluated the processes, procedures, hardware, and personnel needed to safely recover the real spacecraft from the ocean when it returns from deep space missions and move it to a secure location inside the well deck of a Navy ship. New ground support equipment testing included attaching tow lines to 5 attach points rather than 3 on the crew module, and modifications that make it easier to connect tow lines in rough water conditions. Orion is being developed to carry astronauts to deep space destinations, including an asteroid and on NASA's journey to Mars. And that's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on social media and visit www.nasa.gov/twan.